inverter, and I got my charger. So charger is at 42.5 volts. That's the max. If you go higher than that, you might kill the battery. So I'll plug that in. Let's see. So this cable goes into that right here. See how it jumped up? It's a 41.2. So it giving power to this. It's going up and down. I have used scooter batteries, scooter adapters before. You only need 2 if you're charging more than 12 batteries. I was testing and I found out that you get one of these, it would do it. But yeah, be careful. You gotta measure your, you gotta turn it to 42.5 volts before you even plug it in. You can pump it up by max. It's gonna charge it up faster, but you gotta keep your eye on it. Not tend to be left alone on higher voltage because it'll kill your battery. Another part to come in. Once it comes in, we're gonna do solar charging next. About a 36 volt MPPT charger to to test out on solar charging. Right now the solar is working. Okay, again, number was at 40.6.7. It's going up right now. You can actually hear the fan going on here. It's jumping up, I'm guessing around 375 watts. That's what it's charging at right now. 375 watts. That's what it's charging right now. So basically, this inverter has like a soft start when you plug it in. It slow ramp up the capacitor to 120 volts. So if I show you, take that off, plug it in. There you go. Shows at 4.8 volts. It ramps up to 120. It's good to use right away. Been trying it out on my heater blanket, and it's been working pretty good with the setup. Everything has the same voltage at 40.7. Like I said again, you can't just plug in one of these in while it's slow. You gotta fully charge it up and then plug it in. Keep in mind, this gotta be fully charged before you add more in. If not, then it's gonna makes the battery become real hot. But the batteries that I'm buying is untested, so it's like a 50-50 hit and miss. You can get a good battery or a bad battery. So far, the newest batch, I got one bad battery. I gotta hit them up. Alright, came back probably like an hour, and it's at 42.2 volts. Before it was at 40.7 volts. Still going, still charging. Air still running. 42.5 volts still going. Working. Let me send my sincere thanks to everyone who has loved my videos and generals. Subscribe to my channel to watch the next random content. and hit that thumbs up for that like. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future content.